Welcome to our channel. This chapter is going to very important as we already discussed. So without investment, how to start solar energy business? This chapter will give the clear roadmap how to build a business without investment. Normally, every company following the one method, that is in a traditional method. So if anybody starting a new company, those people will do all the setups, infrastructure, employee recruitment, all those setups. After that only finding the customer outside. So that time it will take 3 to 6 months, 1 year. That period, that initial investment cost, everything will be diluted. But we created our model. We need to find out first customer, we get some little bit profit, then we will go for our own infrastructure development and the company development. This will take 1 month, 2 months or 3 months. It may be 6 months, but without any investment, relaxedly, peacefully, we will understand what are the things are there in the solar industry. All those things we will understand in this model. So now we are going to see explanation of 1 megawatt. What are the components are involving? What are the basic things? And what are the government certificate? All those things we are going to discuss in this 1 megawatt project. Kindly understand and watch carefully for what are the things are there. Then we will discuss next chapter and next chapter and detailed discussion. So please join. So this is the Almi Solar company. So now Almi, as everybody knows, 2015 we incorporated. So we are power green energy, proud green energy promoters. We do quality service to the society. We offer independent power generation. We will offer the independent power generation to the people, domestic, industry, commercial, what are the things are required. We build a customer requirement. So what are the requirement is that we will fulfill. So we aim gift a cleaner and the future upcoming generation. We will give the clean power solution. So this is our mission, vision and philosophy. So normally that if you take in a megawatt project, it will be separated in the 3 parts. One is off-grid, ground mounted. Another one is in a open access, that is in a leasing the power. Another one is in a rooftop. So most of the places people are using. We will discuss more on this chapter also, that off-grid, ground mounted and open access system. So if you take any of the power requirement, these 5 things are required. Very important things. These 5 things are required. That is in a first thing is in a land acquisition. So second is in a connectivity. Third one is in a customer requirement. And next is first finance. Next one is EPC company. So if you take a land, typically that 1 megawatt project, 4 acre of land is required. Land cost should be average range of 3 to 12 lakhs. Lesser the cost, it will be more advantageous. So my suggestion is to ask the client to purchase the land, any nearby utility center. Purchasing the land is the ideal choice, because if you take a 3 to 12 lakhs, 1 acre, it will be easily we can bought it. So that time once we will calculating a return on investment, that time very useful for this. land need 3 sunlight days out of any major cumbersome. That means that land should be in a plane, need not to any up and down. That panel should be in neatly placed. So that where the land, uncultivated land, we need to find out on a quality land. Then after that, that nearby land, the minimum 33 kilowatt to 132 kilowatt substation should be there. Because once we generate the power, we need to export. So that we need to find out nearby that substation minimum requirement. So next thing is in connectivity. Connectivity is generally by a state transmission company. That is connectivity is in that is utility grid connection. So utility center, we need to find out what are the procedure in every state. The different state having different norms. So application process we need to fulfill, and it will involve some money also. So we need to settle the money. That is as per that state tariff. That and all we will discuss. So application to be made as per the process connectivity and state tariff. So customer. So who are the customer? Suppose we can go for our industry purpose, we can go for an own power purchase agreement, or otherwise we were going to be selling other people. Based on that, we need a customer requirement. That customer 4.5 crores applying a loan. So these are the norms that Indian standard that government is companies are banks are requiring these companies norms. So India rating CRISIL A above credit rating company, we need to be find out. So these people will get easy loans. Then contract demand 1000 kilowatt above for open access project. So except Haryana, Haryana only is in a 250 kilowatt. Other states are requesting 1000 kilowatt. So PPA tenure, power purchase agreement tenure, we need to sign up 20 to 25 years. Apart from that, lock-in period, it may be maximum extended period, because that locking period, your extension, that EMI amount will be reduced. So we will get some little bit higher the profit. So we need to be go for a maximum period. So ready to invest real equity fund. We need to be liquidity minimum 26 to 35% liquidity in our hand, because that bank are approving the loan before we need to be purchase the land, and we need to be go for other projects like employee hire and technical teams. All those things we need to be set up. Then only that application form to the EV department. All those things we will fulfill. Then only that banks are approving the loan. For that we need to be have 35% of the our project cost. So project finance, as we discussed, 30 to 35% we need to be there. For what are the purpose? That is in land purchasing, connectivity, applications and approvals, licensing activities, and associate higher cost initial project activities till time depth, finance come, financial closure. These all those things we need to be liquid cash. This EPC requirement. EPC requirement is 1 megawatt. This here the opportunity we can build our own company. You see, there is a two types opportunity. EPC work on a subcontract basis. So because we are initially going for subcontract basis, we will get a clear roadmap. Why minimum 2 to 3 things. Why? we need to find out the customer, we need to bargain, all those things we will complete. After that, we are going to give the these EPC companies. Why we need to give the EPC companies? Those people already having the setup. That 1 megawatt project, the 4 acres, that panel size, everything is in a higher volume. That building in inverters, all those things need more technical skill. But apart from that, we need to get the continuous order. But when we can get the continuous order, 1 or 2 projects we will complete it, then only practical experience will come. After that only we can go for in our own office. Then we will be strong enough in our this solar model. So initially we are going to give 2 to 3 EPC projects to the EPC companies. We will get the clear idea. But payment and the project, all those things we need to discuss with the customer. Final thing only we are going to discuss with the EPC companies. So that also 2 to 3. We can do it. After that, we can do it in our own thing also, because this almost 4.5 to 5.5 crores of the project cost. That much cost involving, we can't able to do initially first installation itself. So here you are going for a domestic thing, 3 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt. It costs around 2 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs. That we can take the experience. After that, we will slowly build our business. So we will create a name and slowly we will build. Then we are going for an EPC company. It is in a good ideal chart. That's what we can see it here. So in 1 megawatt project, what are the things is requirement? So I am concluding all those things. It will 1 megawatt project, 4 acres land. So approximately it investment required 20 to 30 lakhs. Then grid connectivity fees, various state to state, typically 5 lakh rupees it will come. Then apart from that, solar EPC cost, structure cost is approximately 1 megawatt year by 1 crore with the cost in EPC. That is in the insulation and other things cost. Apart from that, there is in a panel cost. It will come about 2 crores of panel cost. Apart from that, 33 kilowatt transmission line cost. Apart from these 30 to 35 lakhs requirement is there. So then we are doing in our own thing. So channel partner cost and project consultants costs, it need not to take it the consideration. Suppose we are giving any other people that discussing this thing, normal market rate is channel partner cost is 3 to 4 lakh rupees. Other licenses costs is licensing costs is 20 lakh rupees. Then project consulting cost 20 to 25 lakh. Total project cost is 4 to 4.5 crores. So this will be decreased. We are going for a higher the volume of the project. We are going in a 50 kilowatt or 75 kilowatt, 100 kilowatt. It will reduce 4.5 crores to 3.5 crores based on our increased level. So project commercial, we will see the commercial, what are the advantages of the project. So life expectancy is in 25 years. Solar panel life expectancy 25 years. Annual generation 1.5 million units per annum. It will generate almost 15 lakhs unit will generate. So that is some losses also is there. That is in the minimized losses 0.5 to 0.75. We can leave it. So the power purchase agreement tariff, we will leave it the blank. Why we leave no? Based it is depend upon power purchase agreement company and we need to negotiate. So this cost is industry standard cost is 3.5 rupees to 4.2 rupees average that cost. We need to get the negotiation purpose, we can keep the blank. Then project cost is 4 to 5 crores of the project cost. It is the equity rate. Apart from that, we need to liquidity in our hand, minimum 1.57 crores. We need to keep it in a rate of interest, lending bank rate of interest, we can take it consideration 10.5 to 11.5 percentage. So annual revenues, power purchase agreement, 4 rupees per unit. We will take the consideration tariff. So 1.5 million units. This payback period is we will calculate this our initial cost 4.5 crores and the interest, other charges, all those things, it will come approximately 8 crores. These 60 lakh rupees per annum we are going to save for the putting solar 1 megawatt, 60 lakh rupees as our saving. We can take back return on investment 12 years period. We can take it 12 years period, we can take it. Here there is a 12 years period in the sense we have purchased the land. You take that land costed after 12 years, that land price will increase. These all those things we will calculate. We can take it 6 years. We can get back our what are the amount investing. So I'm talking about with the land we can get back the return on investment 12 years. So that solar will function normally 25 years. That after 25 years, that efficiency will reduce the 80%. So that need not to bother. That 25 years it will come zero. Not like that. It will efficiency will slow down 80. It will work up to 30 years, 35 years also. It will work. We will take it on 25 years also. We will see requirement of 1 megawatt. So preparation of the project DPR report, we need to be in our hand and prepare the yield assessment report, then agreement and finalization, depth finance, these all those things we need to set up. Land aggregator, connective consultant, consultant acquisition, power purchase agreement, finalization, SHA, shine down. So these are those things we need to be kept in a way. So open access applications, scheduling of power, forecasting energy and banking interest, all those things we need to be take it in a consideration. EP finalization, model finalization. Suppose somebody is exiting 5 years, 7 years, I can't able to do and some emergency thing. Somebody is in the existing. Lot of companies are there. Like pension development funds, lot of companies are keeping the pension development fund. You can approach those people because 20 to 25 years can get a guaranteed return. So we need to approach and we can sell the project. So this long-term discussion. So with this, I will be ending this presentation. We will we will go for technical aspect also in future. So I think understanding the model very important thing. So this we initially we are going to do 2 to 3 customer. We are finding the customer that we help of. We have 33 types of marketing techniques, totally 37 types of marketing techniques. In advanced method also is there. I think it is in a little bit lengthy video, but it will be more valuable. So we will discuss that in the support of 38 type of marketing technique, how to build our business. So let's join in. All the best. We will meet next chapter.